Hello and welcome back to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss, and yesterday was a nomination episode, but however there is a twist in the nomination. We will talk about it later on, but what happened yesterday, let's have a glimpse of it with Kriti. So Kriti, tell me about it. What exactly happened yesterday? What was the main point?
It was the weekend ka war yesterday and we saw Salman Khan on the stage, जिसके लिए हम पूरे week wait करते हैं to see him there. But it was a episode जहाँ पर it started with a fight, cold discussion between Bani and her best friend.
Best friend,
yes,
like
best
that,
friend.
best
Actually,
friend.
they had shared a good chemistry on the show till now. But it was a little weird on Gaurav Chopra's part to call her, aggressive and ask her to behave in a certain manner because she has her own personality and she's going good in the show. She's not, portraying something unlike the other contestants. So
right.
That was a little thing, but the main part of the whole episode was obviously Swami. Any episode just can't go without his discussion and his, his arguments in the show. And even Salman Khan was very irritated by everything he's doing in the show.
But how justified do you think it is to do anything for TRP or to make so-called entertainment, which is not entertainment for us or not even for the housemates and even for Salman Khan?
Exactly.
So how justified do you think it is?
Yeah, I mean, even Swami Om himself accepted that he's doing all this for an act. What he said that. But entertainment has a certain level, You can't go beyond and talk about women, anything about women, and you talk about their family, their blood, or anything, which Salman Khan took a class of Swami on this. So that was, we should see, but I really wonder if Swami is going to change any which way. But the changes might be there in the house because the major twist is the wildcard entries. Yes, we have 4 wildcard entries coming in the home and that's going to be happening today. So जो nomination है वो हुआ लेकिन evictions नहीं हुए. So what do you have to say?
Well, this season has been a lot of twists and turns. Whether पहले कभी nominations ऐसे नहीं हुए कि you have been given tasks and then depending on the task you will get nominated, or you have to make videos. Talking about the videos, yesterday also
hilarious viral video section.
Yes. So talking about videos, yesterday Salman Khan showed a video to all the housemates which didn't go well with Bani and Gaurav.
Exactly.
Because
I wonder there will be a cat fight on that also in the coming days.
I'm sure that because I think while watching the video we felt it was fine, but yesterday when Salman Khan replayed it, I also thought somewhere that Lopa is overdoing Bani's part. But apart from that, talking about back to the nominations, I think the 4 contestants who are gonna come are gonna make a lot of change because apparently I think TRP is not going good. That is the reason why this step has been taken.
And so early in the show. Time, right?
Exactly.
And Priyanka Jagga is coming back as a wildcard entry. So.
But I think there's going to be a twist as well. I think the current contestants who are nominated this week, which is Bani's entire team, will have to fight for a task, and whoever loses loses task will be replaced by the new contestants. So it would be very interesting that who are these other 3 people other than Priyanka Jagga. Who are the other 3 people who are gonna come on the show, and who's gonna be the person who leaves? And I wish that Rahul Dev finally leaves from the show because I am not finding him.
Oh please, he gave us such a kicker line of that jalebi wala part. So he's doing something in the show now.
But I think it's too late for that. So I think that's it. Keep watching us and keep telling us as well that what do you feel about the episodes that you've seen so far. And stay tuned for next.